I'm here at the Cathedral in Santo Domingo de la Calzada, and we are going to climb to the top of this thing. It's the bell tower of the cathedral. Let's check it out. Looks really old. I don't know how old, but it's old. It's €2 to get in. Why are there always holes in the floors of these things? Check it out, nice little view from halfway. Oh, that's pretty. There's the square we were in. Wow, look at this machinery. Something's happening. Oh my God. That's what happens when the bell rings.
Whoa.
It is 7:46, so it rings on every quarter hour. Some old stuff. This is the bell toll that they would ring to ring the bell in the tower from way down low, so they didn't have to climb up so far to ring it. So we are in Santo Domingo de Calzada. Today was an easier day. We did 13 miles, but I want to show you guys where we hiked from. Now, if you can see out there on the horizon, there's a little mesa. It's hard to see. Right there, that little dip. We started from just the other side of that dip, came around this far mountain, over the top, and came into town. That was 13 miles today with a beautiful view the whole time of all of these beautiful mountains. So that's it for the cathedral. I hope you guys have liked this video. If you did, hit like. If you want to see more videos like this, click subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comments section below, and we'll see you next time. All right.